Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesura Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly, mid-month love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This reading is going to be for the Gemini for the third week of the July. Okay, those who are interested in personal reading with me, then you guys can contact me through my Instagram or through my email, which is there in the description. For Gemini, this is going to be general reading, so it might not resonate with every single person who watches it. So if it does resonate with you, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. So in this reading, I'm going to take a look at your past situation, present situation, future situation. I'm going to clarify some of the cards for you and end up the video pulling some final advice. So Gemini, in the recent past we have the Four of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Cups. In the present we have the Star, a Nine of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune. In the future we have the Nine of Cups, Five of Swords, King of Swords. The challenge for the week is the Four of Cups. Okay, the challenge for the week, someone could be offering you something, Gemini, this week. The thing is, you are not ready to accept their offer. You are not ready to accept. You're feeling like you're not being in a state to accept their offer. It's like you're going through some pain. It's a fight going on for some of you about a fight. You haven't healed up. Okay, you're taking some time in order to come to a decision towards this offer which has been given for you, or you are offering to someone. I'm going to clarify. In the recent past, there's a Four of Wands, a Knight of Pentacles, and Knight of Cups. There was an emotional connection which was bringing a lot of stability in the recent past. Okay, there's a lot of stability. There was a strong connection between you and this person. You could be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or could be dealing with the earth sign, Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. There was someone entered into this connection. There's a third party situation. I feel this person had something to offer to you. There was changes happened because of a third person. I'm going to clarify. Gemini, in the present we have the Star, the Nine of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune. There's an opportunity which is entirely changing your present situation. There's an opportunity which is coming your way. It's like entirely changing your mindset. You're working on what you hope. You haven't lost hope about something. In the present, it's like you're getting an opportunity to get what you want, which is releasing many of your pain in the present situation, Gemini. You could be dealing with Scorpio, or I'm going to clarify. In the future, there's a Nine of Cups, Five of Swords, a King of Swords. There's a fight going on between you and a person in the future, which is you standing for what you want. You're not ready to compromise. This person, whomever fighting with you, they're just literally fighting. It's affecting your position. It's affecting the way you are, Gemini. You're like you're just fighting for what you want. You're just standing for yourself in the future. I see that. So there's a huge going on for Gemini. I'm going to clarify the challenge for the week. Someone could be offering you something in the present situation. You are feelings you're neglecting their offer. What is that all about, Gemini? Okay, the Four of Cups is clarified by the Moon, the Page of Wands, the Six of Pentacles. You're not letting this person know about what you want, many of you, Gemini, you're not letting this person know your decision because you feel this person is hiding from you something. This person is not being honest with you, or this person is kind of getting you into some sort of confusion. You don't know exactly what this person wants from you. Okay, you're not giving it a try or starting the situation because the thing is you want stability, you want to be to have a balanced connection or a very honest connection. Someone, you want some honest opinion from this person, or you want to be honest in the connection. It's not happening. You are like considering this person might not be so honest the way they are acting. So I'm going to clarify the Four of Wands. What was it in the recent past was bringing you a lot of stability with a person? Some of you were in a stable connection in the recent past. Four of Wands is clarified by the Six of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. So for many of you, Gemini, someone from the past came into your life offering you to be in connection again, or someone from the past with whom you had a lot of memories with. It was like coming to on the surface in the recent past. It came till here. For many of you, it's like you don't know what to do regarding this person, regarding this connection. It was literally affecting many of your happiness in the recent past. You were not being happy, or this person was being single and this person wanted to recommit with you because you could be in a relationship with someone with whom you already had some emotional connection. Okay, I also see it's kind of you. There's a lot of clarity you needed to know about this person in the recent past, but many of you, it didn't happen between you and this person. Okay, you literally were getting some wrong messages towards this person was bringing you some confusion into your life, getting you some wrong messages. This person literally damaged your relationship with the person in the recent past because they wanted something they were offering. I'm going to clarify the Knight of Cups. Someone was offering, though you had been in a connection with someone, but still I see there's a third party situation. So the Knight of Cups is clarified with the Seven of Cups, Two of Swords, Eight of Pentacles. So the situation was like someone had many options. This could be you, Gemini. You had two options or many options in your plate. You are being blocked in your head. Okay, you were being blocked in your head. What should I have to do? There's some clarity was needed, but it wasn't there between you and this person in the recent past. Okay, you really wanted to work out with this person who came into your life, but it didn't happen. I'm going to clarify. There was a breakdown happen in your stable connection with that person. Many of you, I feel you didn't choose what you wanted. There was a two parties offering you. You are blocked in your head. What should I have to do? You literally stopped working towards it. Okay. In the present, I'm going to clarify the Nine of Swords. Someone is going through a lot of pain in the present situation. Going to clarify it. I feel this is you, Gemini. This is your energy. So I feel you're going through pain in the present situation. The Nine of Swords is clarified by the Nine of Wands, the Justice, Queen of Cups. So the this is, I feel this is you, Gemini, who is kind of going to a lot of pain in the present situation. You are trying to get out of from a painful situation. In the present situation you are learning a lot, okay. uh, it's like you are being hesitant to take action towards the situation. The thing is, many of you are feeling you're not treated fair in the situation, in the present relationship you're not being treated fairly. That's why there's a lot of anxiety going on. There's a lot of painful situation for many of you going on in the present situation, because someone is not treating the way you wanted. Many of you are trying to give up with the situation because this person is not treating you well. There's some unfairness happening. The emotional connection you wanted from this person is it's not getting for you, okay. Though you're trying to connect with this person, it's not happening. There's no emotional connection in the present situation. I feel someone is treating you very badly, Gemini, in the present situation. So I'm going to clarify the star for you in the present situation, Gemini. The star is clarified by the King of Wands, the Hermit, the Strength. You could be dealing with a Virgo, you could be dealing with a Leo or a Sagittarius, Aries. Someone is not taking any action in the present situation. That's why it's up to you, that kind of situation. In the present, someone is analyzing everything in their own. The thing is, Gemini, this person, whomever you are dealing with, they are not taking any action towards the situation. They are being self-isolating from you in the present. They are literally not ready to mingle with you. They're not ready to share things with you because they just want their own time. They're asking for some isolation because they're having some confusion in their mind. They need some alone time, I feel. In order to get back to their energy, they need some alone time. They need to know themselves, or they need to be alone for some time, okay. I feel this is why many of you are feeling you're not being treated. This person is avoiding you. You're feeling this person is avoiding me. This person is not letting me to know what they're exactly thinking about. You just want to know about what is exactly happening, but this person is kind of moving on themselves. They're getting some clarity. I'm going to clarify the Wheel of Fortune. There's a huge changes happening for many of you in the future. The Wheel of Fortune is clarified by the Two of Cups, the World, a Nine of Swords. Many of you are trying to end this connection with this person, okay, because you are not getting clarity what this person is going through. It's like you are experiencing the pain. You're feeling this person is not understanding me. You literally want to give an end to a connection because you feel this person is really not giving you time. But the thing is, they want some alone time, Gemini, in order to refresh their mind. There is some sort of confusion going on in their head, which is kind of not letting totally into the connection, okay. I'm going to clarify in the future. There is a fighting going on between you and this person. You are literally standing for what you want. Someone coming your way because they want something, okay. So the Five of Swords is clarified with Seven of Pentacles, the Five of Swords itself, the Judgment. The thing is, both of you are not ready to compromise. That person have invested a lot into the connection, and you are not ready to compromise the situation. You're standing for yourself. There's a fight, opposite fight is very strong. You're not ready to realize the situation in a calm position, okay. The thing is, you have to realize what this person is up to. You have to give them a chance, or exactly you have to get to know about some situation, okay. I'm going to clarify the King of Swords. Finally, I feel you're going to realize about some situation, about this fighting situation, which is bringing a lot of happiness in your own. The King of Swords is clarified with the Four of Cups, which is there in the challenge. King of Swords itself. The Empress. The thing is, you are not ready to compromise the situation. This is like someone could be offering you something in the future. It's like you are not taking any decision towards this person. That's why this person is fighting for you in order, because they have invested something in you. This could be from the past, because this person have been invested something. They have invested a lot in a connection. They're not ready to let go, but you are not ready to compromise. You are like, I was feeling so painful in the recent past. This is not my problem. You went through isolation. You didn't give me value in the past. This is not my problem. I removed you. It's like you're not ready to compromise. You're not ready to what they're offering. The thing is, you need to know there's a lot of growth happened in this person in the future. There's a chance this person could be bringing all your wishes come. There could be all your happiness. This person could bring all of your happiness. You need to realize you have to sometimes get out down of your position and realize why this person is coming back. This person have been grown. This person understood they have done wrong. That is what there's a lot of balance. The challenge is all about. There's a balance. There's a coming your way, Gemini. You need to realize it. You need to realize this person is have been grown up. This person has something big for you. This person has realized what is it. So you need to give them a chance, I feel. Okay, so the advice for the week, Gemini, is don't let your past hold your back. Okay, if you're thinking this person was bad in the past, this person wasn't giving you the happiness you wanted, then don't think it. Okay, you have to update yourself and you have to give them a chance. Okay, this person have been updated. There's a growth I can see this person have gone through. They have realized what they lost and they have realized what they made. It's like coming back to you to bring all your happiness, all your satisfaction. That is all I have for the Gemini people. It was a bit of intense. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye.